Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to use Glean AI. So first, you will have to go to gleanai.com or just glean.com, and then you will create an account if you don't have one yet. After you sign in, you will navigate to the integration section, and it is usually found in the main menu or under account settings. And there you will be able to link your accounting tools such as QuickBooks or Xero. And once connected, Glean will automatically import your invoices, transactions, and vendor information. You will land on a dashboard where you can see an overview of all expenses. And from there, you can filter by vendor, category, or department and drill down into individual insights. Glean uses AI to highlight unusual spending and optimize vendor relationships. You can approve payments with just one click and even add collaborators to streamline your team's approval workflows. Depending on your subscription tier, and some features may be lack or displayed differently. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Have a very good day.